Hello, in this video, I would like to show you our 19-inch sunlight readable LCD kits. This kit includes the controller board that have a DVI and VGA connections. You also have an option to upgrade to the one with like HDMI, VGA, DVI, and audio M. And this LD kit has upgraded to our sunlight readable UB70 series LD kit, so it can be reach as high as 1200 nits or a bit higher. It depends on the screen conditions. This kit is designed to be easily integrated into any application that requires a sunlight readable environment. So let's take a look, see what it is, and I'm gonna hook up really quick and so show you what. It's really easy to hook it up, you know. So this, you can connect to ground chassis on your enclosures. Okay, let's put this aside. All right, and then hook up to VGA. I have here. Okay, so I came on here. Just really quick hook up. Okay. Wow, see bright. I have a meter here. Let me turn it on. 7 meters. Okay. So we're gonna measure it first. It's 1,364. So this one's a little bit higher. 1,358. $1,350. So let's say 1,300, but you know, some screen, this screen's a little bit, it depends on condition of the screen. This is a bit higher, but normally we see around 1,200 nits. Okay, thank you for watching.